Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we just got another box here from HelloFresh, and it is already 10 o'clock at night. It's Sunday and it's 10 o'clock at night, and then our phone rang and said that I have a delivery, and it was HelloFresh. This was meant to come in tomorrow morning, so I was expecting it to come tomorrow, but they decided to deliver it tonight, and I didn't realize that they deliver this late. So thanks anyways, HelloFresh, for delivering my box really early. So this is what it looks like inside, and the menus, I only chose 3 meals this week. So these are the meals that I chose, which is the Jamaican chicken, as well as the Italian beef and thyme ragu, and we've got the crispy skin seared salmon. And inside we have this. So it's 50 reasons to refer your friends and to help others. If you can give 50 and you get 50 back as well, and it just has some information here on the back. So if you guys are interested in HelloFresh, I do have a promo code down in the description box below, and just use that code and you'll get $50 off your first order from HelloFresh. So inside we have bags, which is code. Oh, it actually has the names written down on that before. I remember before I was saying that they didn't have any names written down and it was color coded, but it looks like they have it written down. So this is the fish bag, which I'm guessing is for the salmon, of course. And then this one doesn't have anything, so this one is color coded, and this one is the red one. So this one's going to be for the Italian beef and thyme ragu. And this one over here is for the Jamaican chicken. So the color coding's here, which is what the sticker color should be. So that's how you identify which recipe goes for which bag. And here in the frozen section, in this bag here, we have our meats. So we have our salmon fillets. We also have here our chicken. We have here our minced beef, so beef mince. And inside here we also have our Greek style yogurt, and we have our cheddar cheese. And then inside these bags it has an ice pack, which keeps our food all nice and fresh and cold while it's being delivered. So that is my unboxing for HelloFresh. I will unbox the packages tomorrow or as we cook. I am going to pack this away now because it is late already. So I am going to be doing another series on my channel, which is showing you guys what's inside these and following the recipes and giving you guys reviews about their meals. So keep an eye out for that. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys again next time.